Welcome to Mr. How, and today, how do we make your wall less boring? Well, fear not, because today I'm going to show you how to whip up some simple wall art that'll make your room lively. And trust me, even if your artistic skills are limited to stick figures, this one's for you. First off, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a canvas, some paint, brushes, and a splash of creativity. Got 'em? Great. Now let's get started. Step 1, pick your colors. Think about the vibe you want your room to have. Cozy and warm? Go for reds and yellows. Cool and calm? Blues and greens are your friends. Remember, there are no wrong choices here, just happy little accidents. Next up, let's add some tape to the canvas. Use painter's tape to create funky patterns. Stripes, chevrons, even random shapes. Go wild. Once you've got your tape down, it's time to paint. Slap on those colors, and don't worry about staying in the lines. The tape will do the hard work for you. Let it dry for a bit, and here's a pro tip. Use a hairdryer if you're impatient like me. Once everything's dry, peel off the tape. Voila! Instant art. It's like magic. Except you did it all by yourself. Hang it up, step back, and admire your masterpiece. There you have it. A super simple wall art idea to brighten up your space. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your personality shine through. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY magic. Until next time, keep decorating and stay creative.